Hi, I'm Rob Mays with Hance's Uptown Collision Center, and this is Collision Conversations. As a lifelong car guy in Dallas, Texas, I'm also known as a car nut of Dallas. I've been servicing cars in the Metroplex since 1995. I bought Roy Hance's original business that he started in 1955, and we've grown the operation to our new location in Plano, Texas. Let's talk about the history of Hance's Uptown Collision Center. We started in 1955 on the corner of McKinney and Monticello. That original location was founded by Roy Hance. It was called Hance Paint and Body Service. Roy had pretty much the whole corner. He had a little gas station, a humble gas station, and he also did mechanical repairs, actually installed AC in cars in the 50s. But he really had a passion for the collision repair business, and all through the 70s and 80s, he was in the collision repair game and fixed cars. And cars have changed a lot since the 1950s. And the 70s and 80s were big, heavy, long boat iron. And in the 80s and the 90s, we started getting a lot of small cars, and cars got smaller and technology changed. But today's cars, the cars we fixed in 2020 are nothing like we did in 1955. That little shop is kind of a little jewel. It's a nice little location. It's been there on that little corner in Uptown, on that little one-way street. And it's just so fun to go down there. We've decorated it in a kind of a 70s, mid-century vibe. We've kind of tried to keep it eclectic inside the building. It's a great building. I think the dust in that building has been there since 1965 when the current building we're in downtown was built. We were in the building next door from 55 to 65. So there's a tremendous amount of history. It's really almost a landmark in Dallas. When you come up McKinney Avenue from downtown, and before you go into the Park Cities, you're gonna pass our door, and most people don't even know we're there. We've had different signage, different logos, different things put up over the years, but people don't realize we're there. It's really this marketing and using our technology and our word of mouth to get the word out that we've been downtown. And we've decided to bring that up to Plano. I've been looking for another location. I've had some different opportunities throughout Dallas over the years. I've tried a couple small locations, and I lucked into this store in Plano in 2020. In February of 2020, we made a deal at this existing facility, which is really state-of-the-art. We've got a lot of new technology inside the building. We have great internet and software technology. We use the latest in software for collision repair estimating. All of our technicians have access to computers and diagnostic equipment that we just don't have space for down in Dallas. Dallas is a 4,500 square foot shop. We're 20,000 square feet in Plano. With that comes a lot of opportunity for better equipment, for better technology, for more tools and technology. And it's a great environment for the techs to work in. It's a fully air-conditioned and heated shop, which is something that they've not experienced at Hance's for years. We've always had heat, but we've never had air conditioning. So it's really nice to work in air conditioning in the Texas heat. We've got a great waiting room and a great waiting area. It's a lot of room, and it's a lot of elbow room inside of there, so we can be handling quite a few customers at a time. It really means a lot to me to have been doing this for 25 years and open this fantastic facility in Plano. It's a great location. It's right near 75. It's right near the George Bush. We can see the State Farm building from here. So there's lots of things that are landmarks in this area in Plano that make sense. I live in Frisco, and I can pick up and deliver. We do a lot of pickup and delivery. We'll go to Richardson, we'll go to Allen, we'll go to McKinney. We'll go wherever you want us to help you pick up your car and get it delivered to our facility for repairs. And it's a beautiful place. It's fun to work here. We have a lot of room and space. And so we will never let go of the downtown location. That is really our crown jewel store. It's a great pickup and delivery location, but a lot of the damaged cars are going to that store. We now take up to Plano. We move them at our expense to do that because we have so much space and so much technology here that we just don't have in Plano. A lot of the small, quick jobs, a lot of the neighborhood jobs still get done down in McKinney Avenue. Most of the stuff in the Park Cities and the M Streets and Lakewood gets done down there. But if you have a bad accident or if you have damage to your car in those areas, we're gonna move it up to Plano, put on the brand new frame machine, and do all the things we need to do to make the car right and deliver it back to downtown and have you pick it up down there. Plano is a blessing, and it's a really neat shop, and it's something I thought I would never have when I first bought Hance Paint and Body in 1995. For more collision conversations, subscribe to our channel, Hance's Uptown Collision.